Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace if it isn't available to you. First, make sure your account is at least 18 years old. If your birthday isn't set correctly, Marketplace won't appear. Keep in mind, Marketplace isn't available in all regions or countries. If it's not offered in your area, there's unfortunately no way to enable it. Next, make sure your Facebook app is fully updated. Open Google Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if needed. An outdated app can limit access. If it's still not showing, clear your app cache. Press and hold the Facebook app, tap the info icon, go to Storage or Data, and select Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart your phone and open Facebook again. Sometimes this resolves temporary glitches. If none of that works, report the issue to Facebook. Tap the 3-bar menu or your profile icon, scroll to Help and Support, and select Support Inbox, and select Report a Technical Problem. Choose Marketplace, describe your issue, add screenshots or video if needed, then send it. And that's it. By updating your account info, clearing cache, and reporting any issues, you should be able to access Marketplace. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes.